What did you do? Morning, guys. 7 a.m. Got the smoker loaded up, and I've got a two-stroke in the back of the truck I drove in high school. And what is this, 2003? I don't know, but want to pick up Mike and his Monster XR 650. We're gonna meet Evan and John and crush some trails.
We're blown Achilles, but some of this is good.
Yeah. All right. Wow. What a... At the trailhead.
Alright, this might be where we're gonna put in at. Get ready to unload the bike.
John, you can't vlog. I'm vlogging.
Oh, we
Can't have a vlog inside of a vlog.
Wouldn't it be, I don't know, vlog squared?
Vlog squared. Decade-old stock graphics. That's so sick.
Look at the dual lights on the XR. He's got dual LED lights.
Do those work pretty good?
I don't know.
I got to try them yet.
Find out.
What? Did you wreck? What did you do?
I thought it was a little hill climb. I was coming up the right and I dipped into that fucking...
You tried to ride out of it?
I didn't want to hit that pipe.
I would have just came to a stop. Holy shit.
What, dude, it threw me right into the fucking hill.
You landed over there? Where'd the bike land?
Right here with me.
Holy.
I did this, I like looped, and I grabbed more throttle, and it threw me.
You're recording still, right?
Yeah.
Thank God. We thought you were dead. Dude, what if you hit that metal post over there?
That would have been alright.
Yeah, right.
There's nothing but a flesh wound.
fucking idiot. Dude, he tried to ride a rain rut all the way up that hill. So he gets to the top of the hill, and right in the middle of the rain rut is this huge pipe, like a culvert in the road, that big. So he tried to drive out of the rain rut, this deep.
Dang, dude. I could have done it if I had a little better time.
Hey, next time if I say
The air filter I had.
Did you say show some initiative?
I said he did.
No,
He showed up.
no. Showing initiative would have been doing it 3 months ago when it sat in the garage muddy then. Not the night before.
Like 2 months ago.
Yeah. Hungry? You don't look hungry. You don't look very hungry.
I didn't have a big enough breakfast.
Damn, this clutch seems stiff.
It is.
Bike feels fat.
It is.
We went 10 miles.
Yeah.
Did you reset it?
So,
If that's accurate, I mean, who knows? It's like from the early 90s, it may not even work.
What year is it?
It's like a 01, I think.
They said the ones on the DR are like 1 or 2% off from factory, but the speedometer is like 8 or 9% off. How's that possible?
Okay.
all they want to do is sit in our fucking conference room and watch videos of these fucking freaks in Russia that climb up these fucking big...
The free climbing or whatever.
Yeah.
Yes, yeah. This is sick. This is. What do you mean? Huh? You only made one turn. You wanna climb it? I don't think I want to.
If I get stuck, I'm done. I can't get off. Like, my feet are killing me if I'm on that stuck. I can't walk down.
Yeah.
I tried it.
What? You going? He's not gonna climb that, is he? I'm not saying it wouldn't. Are you climbing it? Oh my God. No way, dude. Holy shit. It doesn't stop, dude.
Hope he don't stop. Did he stop? Keep going.
I gotta give him the balls for that one, dude.
It's been holding out on us, dude.
Is it easy?
Dude, that hill climb is fucking easy.
Easy.
That's fucking fun.
Fun.
I mean, you just watched how hard I was second gear.
Yeah, but you got 450 torque.
It looks a lot fucking meaner than what it is, I promise.
Really?
Yeah, that was sweet though.
Bring your bike, I'll do it.
You want to?
No, don't do it.
Dude, that's a rush.
If I get stuck, I can't do anything.
Yeah.
Oh,
You know what I mean? Like,
dude.
I'm not worried about the
Hit it,
hill. It's like
Evan.
if I do get stuck, I'm done.
Listen, dude. It's
Can't
so
put your
easy.
foot down. Stop,
The
huh?
roll is about my only choice.
You're from Turkey's Creek, dude.
I don't even think I want to do it.
The one you did was way nastier than that.
I know, but I was on a 450 race bike. This
You
thing's...
got your GoPro going and you're going to let me outdo you on a bike today.
Fuck.
Yes!
Continue rolling.
Get a run. You'll need it.
guys, we just had the scariest thing ever happen. Bike just kind of started to bog, started to die off, and wouldn't start back up. And we took the plug out, checked the plug. It was sparking, but luckily I had that backup plug. Luckily I was prepared enough with a backup plug and a universal wrench that
Crescent wrench.
I put the backup plug in, and it seemed to be sparking a little better. So we put it in, it fired right up. So apparently I just need to ride with a backpack full of plugs. Right, guys?
Yep. Just give it a little gas.
John, how many times have you crashed today, bud?
3.
3 crashes and 1 decent hill climb.
That was a pretty good one.
John, I was the one that told you I wanted to be out of the woods by like 1 and home by 2, and you said, "Oh, I figured we ride till like 3."
I've been.
Now he's like 2, and that saves room for like.
Well, when you're leading the pace, and you're going harder than anybody else, and you trash yourself a couple times.
Yeah, you trash yourself harder than anybody else.
Bro, you're in the back of the pack when you crash.
I had to let you guys go before I passed you.
I mean, I've made it what? Almost I've made it 2.5 hours on that plug.
Yeah, but
That can't be right. Since we've only been 22 miles. Like, there's no way.
You think we've been more?
I think we've been more than that.
I don't know. You gotta think a mile's really long, and when you like are twisting and turning.
I'd say that's pretty close to 22 miles through these ruts and water holes.
Yeah, you might be right.
Does anybody have starting fluid and a wire brush? You don't keep that in your truck.
I can break off a branch and pee on it. It's acidic, and the branch will clean the corrosion off the plug. I don't know. What do you guys think about lunch? Though, like Taco Bell, Arby's, maybe.
I was thinking like,
I know you're gonna fast. You're on your fasted regimen.
I was thinking like B-dubs.
Can't do B-dubs today because I gotta go B-dubs tomorrow.
Oh, so nobody else can do that today because you got to go tomorrow.
Get something different. Just get a burger this time and get wings tomorrow.
Evan, if you buy, then I'll.
He has no problem going to Rooster 7 days in a row.
I went 3 days in a row one time.
All right.
You hear that?
Still kind of. Still can't believe this thing fouled a plug. John's laziness has cut his day short. And unfortunately, this piece of crap from 2007 has cut my day short.
Laziness.
Oh, okay, your hunger.
Hi, YouTube. Get Evan in the vlog. Ask him a question.
I don't know what to ask Evan besides how's it feel to ride?
Good.
For how
Yeah.
long? How long has it been,
Very
Evan?
good. That was over 2 years.
How long has it been since you trail rode?
Over 2 years. I mean, this is the first time I've taken the bike anywhere.
Ah, that's sick, dude.